For any project manager or business owner, managing finances effectively is a cornerstone of success. And when you have a team, big or small, payroll becomes a significant and often complex part of that financial puzzle. Accuracy, compliance, and efficiency are paramount. Many businesses seek out user-friendly and affordable solutions, and Patriot Payroll frequently appears on that list. But the burning question for many considering it is, how much does Patriot Payroll really cost? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Patriot Payroll offers a clear and competitive pricing structure designed with small and medium-sized businesses in mind. Unlike some providers that might hide fees or have complex tiers, Patriot aims for transparency, which is a big plus when budgeting for essential business operations. Patriot Payroll primarily operates on a base fee plus a per-employee fee model. This is a common and generally fair approach in the payroll software industry, as it scales the cost directly with the size of your team. This means you only pay for what you truly need, making it a budget-friendly option for startups and growing businesses. Let's break down the two main payroll plans offered by Patriot Software. 1. Basic Payroll. Base cost, typically around $17 per month. Per employee/contractor cost, usually $4 per employee or contractor per month. What Basic Payroll offers. This plan is ideal for businesses that want to manage their payroll internally but need a reliable system for calculations, direct deposits, and reporting. With Basic Payroll, you get unlimited payroll runs. You can run payroll as often as you need, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc., without incurring extra charges for each run. This flexibility is excellent for managing various pay frequencies. Free 2-day direct deposit. For qualified customers, this allows you to pay your employees efficiently and securely directly into their bank accounts. You also have the option to print checks if preferred. Employee Portal. Employees get access to a secure online portal where they can view their pay stubs, W-2s, and 1099s for contractors, and update their personal information. This significantly reduces administrative work for you. Accurate payroll tax calculations. Patriot handles the complex calculations for federal, state, and local payroll taxes. This helps ensure compliance and reduces the risk of errors. Printable W-2s and 1099s. At year-end, you can easily generate these crucial tax forms for your employees and contractors. Basic Payroll Reports. Access to essential reports that help you track payroll expenses, deductions, and tax liabilities. Free USA-based support. A significant advantage, as having readily available support can be invaluable when dealing with payroll complexities. What Basic Payroll doesn't do. It's crucial to understand that with Basic Payroll, you are responsible for filing and depositing your own payroll taxes. While Patriot calculates the amounts, you'll need to submit these payments and filings to the relevant government agencies yourself. This requires a good understanding of payroll tax deadlines and procedures. 2. Full Service Payroll. Base cost, typically around $37 per month. Per employee/contractor cost, usually $4 per employee or contractor per month. Some sources indicate $5, so always verify on their official site. What Full Service Payroll offers. This plan includes everything in the Basic Payroll plan, plus the critical added benefit of Patriot handling your payroll tax filings and deposits for you. This is a significant time saver and provides immense peace of mind for business owners. With Full Service Payroll, Patriot will handle federal, state, and local tax filings and deposits. This means Patriot will calculate, collect, and remit your payroll taxes to the appropriate tax authorities on your behalf. This is a huge burden lifted, as tax compliance is one of the most challenging aspects of payroll. Year-end payroll tax filings. Patriot will also manage your year-end payroll tax filings, ensuring that forms like W-2s and 1099s are accurately prepared and submitted. Tax Filing Reliability Guarantee. Patriot often provides a guarantee that their tax filings will be accurate and on time, offering an extra layer of security against penalties. Who is Full Service Payroll for? This plan is highly recommended for most small businesses, especially those without an in-house payroll specialist. The cost difference between basic and full service is often well worth the time saved and the reduced risk of costly tax errors. It allows you to focus on running your business, knowing your payroll taxes are being handled professionally. Potential add-ons and additional costs. Patriot software also offers several add-ons that can enhance your payroll experience, but these come with additional fees. Time and attendance. Roughly $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. This add-on allows employees to clock in and out online, helps track hours, and seamlessly integrates with your payroll for accurate wage calculations. HR software. Roughly $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. This provides tools for managing employee documents, compliance alerts, and other HR-related tasks. Multi-state payroll tax filing. If you have employees in more than one state, there might be an additional monthly fee for each additional state, typically around $12 per month per additional state for full-service payroll. Bookkeeping service. Patriot also offers bookkeeping services starting at around $100 per month, plus an onboarding fee, for businesses that need more comprehensive accounting support. Initial discounts and free trial. It's worth noting that Patriot software often provides a 30-day free trial for new users, allowing you to test out the features before committing. Introductory discounts, such as 50% off for the first 3 months of subscription. Always check their official website for the latest offers. Putting it into perspective. When evaluating the cost of Patriot payroll, consider not just the monthly fee but also the value it provides. For example, even the full service plan, which handles tax filings, is often significantly more affordable than many larger, more complex payroll solutions. The time saved from manual calculations and tax filings, the peace of mind from guaranteed accuracy, and the convenience for your employees can quickly justify the investment.